Hi, my name is Britt Lundgren, and I am the Senior Director of Sustainability and Government Affairs at Stonyfield, which is an organic yogurt company based in New Hampshire. I have been working in the field of agricultural sustainability for over 15 years now, with a focus both on advancing policies that can support organic agriculture and supply chain initiatives to improve sustainability here at Stonyfield. Before Stonyfield, I was working in the environmental nonprofit sector in Washington, D.C., and I have a Master's of Science in Agriculture, Food, and Environment from Tufts University. One of the areas that OTA is working on that I am most excited about is their focus on advancing continual improvement of the organic standard. We've had some challenges over the years with USDA's oversight of the organic standard, in particular that they haven't always moved fast enough to address inconsistencies in how certifiers enforce the organic standard. And we know that strong organic standards are the foundation for consumer trust in organic, and that trust is really key to whether or not consumers are choosing organic at the grocery store. So it's fundamentally important that we do everything necessary to maintain consumer trust because it allows us to continue to grow demand for organic products. OTA is really leading the charge to ensure that standards are strong and keep pace with those consumer expectations. Over the past 2 years, we've made some really significant progress with USDA advancing rules like the origin of livestock, animal welfare, and just recently the strengthening organic enforcement rule. And this would not have happened if OTA hadn't been leading the way to urge the agency forward. So now our focus is turning towards the Farm Bill, where we are looking to add language that will ensure that USDA takes timely action to update the organic regulations when that is needed. OTA is really going to be key in advancing this legislation and bringing their members to the Hill to advocate for Congress and tell their own stories about why this change is needed. One of the areas of organic that I am most passionate about is raising awareness of all of the environmental and health benefits that are created by organic systems, and particularly about advancing organic agriculture as a solution for climate change. We know that organic systems sequester more carbon and reduce emissions compared with conventional, but the really great thing is that organic farms do this while they're also delivering a whole slew of other ecosystem services at the same time. At Stonyfield, we're working with the dairy farms in our direct supply and partnering with projects like Open Team so that we can get better at quantifying the climate benefits and other ecosystem services that are created on these farms. I'm particularly excited about work that we're doing to help Open Team this year with a focus on building connections between the record keeping that farmers do for organic certification with the tools that can measure and quantify a farm's environmental impact. And I think this is going to help more organic producers engage with ecosystem services markets in the future, and will also help us better quantify the benefits that organic farms create. We also then need to make sure that these environmental benefits are more widely understood by consumers, retailers, and lawmakers. And this means both advocating for more research funding and developing the materials that can communicate these benefits to wider audiences. And this is where OTA really shines. Last year, I participated in OTA's task force that created the Organic Advantage Toolkit, which is an incredible set of resources that puts these benefits together in an easy-to-use package. I think this task force is a great example of the strength of OTA, where we brought together diverse members to focus on this shared communication challenge and developed materials that we can all use to better convey the benefits of organic.